How to make healthy mocha frappe? This healthy mocha frappe recipe is made with purity coffee. Coffee, frozen into cubes, strong brewed purity coffee frozen into ice cubes. Unsweetened cocoa powder, we recommend organic. Maple syrup or honey, a touch of sweetness from maple syrup or honey. Vanilla extract. Creamy liquid of choice. For a dairy-free and vegan option, we recommend using a dairy-free unsweetened coffee creamer. Milk of choice, you will need a splash or 2 or 3 of extra liquid to blend it all together. Chocolate chips, we like to use dark chocolate chips that contain at least 60% cacao or more. Coconut oil, just a little is all you need to make the chocolate drizzle nice and smooth. Whip topping of choice, homemade, dairy-free whip. Step 1, freeze strong brewed coffee in a silicone ice cube tray. Step 2, in a blender add the coffee cubes, cocoa powder, sweetener of choice, vanilla, ice, and creamy liquid of choice. Add milk of choice as needed to achieve bendable consistency. Step 3, in a saucepan over low heat add the chocolate chips and coconut oil. Continue to stir until the sauce is melted, nice and drizzly. Step 4, drizzle the chocolate along the sides of 2 glasses. Divide the mocha frappe between the 2 prepared glasses. Top with the whip and additional chocolate if you wish. Enjoy! Get access to more weight loss and smoothie recipes by visiting link in description. Subscribe, follow and like for more.